from Manipur. The statement made by Honorable Tuliram Ranghang, Chief Executive Member, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, at Center Bazaar, Karbi Anglong during a function of distribution of land patas on 25/11/2004 regarding influx of 1,000 Kuki refugees from Manipur is drawn to the notice of the All-Party Hill Leaders Conference APHLC. The CEM stated that he would not allow the Kuki refugees to stay in Karbi Anglong. In this connection, the APHLC states that now is not the time for a responsible person holding the post of CEM to say that he will allow or not allow the Kuki refugees from Manipur to remain in Karbi Anglong. If any number of Kuki refugees has come to Karbi Anglong for shelter and protection, it is the duty of the Assam government and the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to give shelter and protection to the Kuki refugees. While giving protection and shelter, the CEM should have condemned the Manipur state government for engineering continuation of ethnic killings among the Kuki Zo and Meitei communities. After ensuring protection and shelter to the Kuki Zo victims, the CEM should demand of the Manipur government to restore peace and safety and take back the displaced Kuki Zo refugees, if any, in Karbi Anglong. Right now, giving of relief to the Kuki Zo refugees from Manipur, if any, in Karbi Anglong, who must be in distress, is needed as per rule. According to media, the government has stated that a large number of Hindu Bengalis have entered India because of anti-Hindu clashes in Bangladesh recently. But it is surprising that the CEM has not said a word against the large number of Bangladesh Hindu refugees who have entered Karbi Anglong. The CEM also has not uttered a word against the entry of 450 Bengali Hindu families, refugees into Uttar Barbil, Hauraghat, Karbi Anglong, and encroach the PGR and BGR land since 1953. The CEM has not spoken against the encroachers from Bihar on the 371 bighas of land of irrigation department at Bokolia Ghat. Over and above, according to NRC report, there are 1.5 lakh Bangladeshis in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts who are illegal immigrants and whose names are not in NRC. The government promised to deport them from Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts because these districts are governed by 6th schedule. But the government has not deported these Bangladeshis. Mr. Tuliram Ranghang has not said anything to deport these illegal Bangladeshi immigrants. According to law, these refugees should have returned to their land after peace has been restored in Bangladesh. We suspect that the CEM of KAAC, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and the Assam government are attempting to cause a riot between the Kuki and Karbi people again at the behest of RSS and Bongo Senas. The Karbi and all other tribes people, Khilonjia, Osomia, and Adivasi people are now aware of the evil plans of the BJP government. We will not fight among ourselves. We wholeheartedly support the demands of Uripok Apunbal Lup and Uripok Nupi Apunbal Lup in Manipur. We oppose the reimposition of APHLC in Manipur. We condemn the killings of our innocent brothers, sisters, and children in Jiribam and other places in Manipur. Ostensibly, the riot in Manipur is against Kuki Zo,